Software engineering is like the backbone to our digital world. From app to website and data system, software engineering can make our modern life possible.
So software engineering is one of the most promising fields in the technology management. There is good opportunity for those students in developing their skill sets in software engineering, especially related to artificial intelligence, which focuses on machine learning, deep learning, then on data security, and also Internet of Things, and technology management, and data science. So all these areas, there's a significant opportunity, and with the digitalization, software engineering is gaining more of automation and significance among all the large industries.
The institute has a supportive environment where everyone, even the lecturer, also the student, support each other in every situation.
There's a part of me that I feel like I really love the idea of innovation as well as problem solving, and this is also the reason that made me choose to major in software engineering. And I chose KIT in particular because I heard about its project-based learning style that I can feel I can get the hands-on experience from the internship that the school provided.
KIT offers outcome-based education. KIT offers 3,000 hours of internship in the industry, and you have the opportunity to work with the Japanese companies for your internship, as well as you have an opportunity to work in other countries, especially in Japan. And the second is that KIT has got a good network of universities as collaborating partners. So you have an opportunity to study in other countries and to have a student exchange with them. And the third is that KIT is diverse, it is unique, and has equity and equality. These are the main advantages you have with KIT.